My friend is getting married.
Oh, baby.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I love the ring.
I will love her. My friend is getting married.
I have another surprise for you.
Again?
Another
Yes,
surprise.
baby. I know how much you've been wanting to start your business. So I brought...
This is
Remember,
so
I'll be the
fine.
chief bridesmaid. Though.
Of course, who else?
And I'll be the one to choose the color of the
Hey, hold on. What's going on?
Baby, is there any problem?
I had I had some money with me.
Money.
Yes, I had about $100,000 with me.
Sir, you want to gift her $1?